Welcome to Handle King DIY Tip of the Week. Have you ever been putting up shelves yet missing a spirit level? Today we're going to show you a simple trick using nothing more than a clear tube and some coloured water. This will ensure your shelf is perfectly level. First, mark the wall at the desired height of where you'll be fitting the shelf. Next, leaving the tube open at both ends, line the tube up with that mark, and with an additional pair of hands, mark on the other side. As you'll see, we have the two marks in place, and these should be perfectly level.